How often will I get HP All-in-Plan ink shipments and how can I track them? When you sign up for HP All-in-Plan for print, HP provides a new printer and a set of HP ink cartridges. HP All-in-Plan fees are based on the print plan selected and not the amount of ink shipped or used when printing. Replacement cartridges are not shipped monthly. They are shipped only when you are running low. This means that there is no need to manually order replacement cartridges. Once your printer runs low on ink, HP automatically sends the new cartridges. Note: your printer must be connected to a wired or wireless network at all times for HP All-in-Plan services to have an accurate reading of your ink levels. Also, make sure your shipping address is up to date. If you need to change your address, you can do so under the Account section on the HP Smart website. After signing up for the HP All-in-Plan and creating an account, go to the HP Smart website. Click Sign In and enter your account credentials. Click Printers to find your printer. You can see the status of your current ink levels. You are alerted when your ink is running low and replacement cartridges are being shipped. To track your latest shipment of ink, go to the Track Shipments section. From here you can see the shipping date for your most recent replacement cartridges, as well as a tracking number to view the shipment progress. If you are experiencing a unique situation related to replacement cartridge shipments or if you have a question that was not answered in this video, contact 24/7 Pro Live support at any time. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.